Kenmore microwave that is giving a F5 error code. What's the code stand for?
F5 means that you have a humidity sensor that has failed inside the microwave. The microwave will need to uninstall the entire microwave and remove the outer shell of the microwave so that you can replace the humidity sensor to fix the issue. Below is a link to the part you'd need to order for your model. Click here for sensor. We are on the Honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.